another preamble. Express the given vector in a bearing form. A equals root 3I plus j.
Solving for this question, we here the magnitude and also the bearing. The magnitude that vector netintin na bearing is no na vector no na nature. Magnitude the formula ni square root of x squared plus y squared. X ejina homa I into the coefficient of I root 3 into therefore x root 3. Y ejina homa j coefficient of j our question positive 1. Y value ni is 1. So with the question mark, magnitude of A is equal to square root of root 3 all squared plus 1 squared. Root 3 squared. Squared no ebetwa small root of 3 into square root of 3 plus 1 because 1 squared is same thing as 1 times 1. 1 times 1 1. 3 plus 1 4 into root 4. Therefore, the magnitude of A is equal to 2 because root 4, square root of 4 is 2. Into vector netintin no 2. Afei vector no na nature yanko hwehwe. J ejina homa north and south. Say J plus a okosoro oko north. Say J minus a oko from oko south. I ejina homa east and west. I minus a oko west. Say I plus a oko wonsanifa so oko east. Vector na de man here I positive, J positive. Enti nimeri na positive dia echese vector no na nichire north east ekwan so ehwo na vector ne ko. Also GPS so use bearing behind the scenes cause GPS echire baby a woko. What is it? Enti vector no netintim 2. Ne vertical axis no which is J no 1. Ena ne horizontal axis no root 3. Theta no and I say measure angle no with respect to the north pole. Inti the theta no besha ha. So okay so katwa mo inti ha no ebe isi toa. Toa no opposite over adjacent. Wohwe baby a theta no hye na ni opposite no root 3. Tebetwe root 3 divided by theta no ni nchemu no 1 which is the adjacent tebetwe over 1. So therefore tan theta is equal to root 3 over 1. Everyone is saying root 3. But still now we don't know the value for theta. Yes, I say pen temtino you be so right angle triangle way. Right angle triangle way 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 90 degrees. Say the other my question vertical axis no 1. Horizontal axis no root 3. The tintim no 2. Into the chain say you bet me use tan 60 right angle triangle because tan 60 so be opposite over adjacent which will give you root 3. Into right angle triangle no catcher say tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. And from the Cartesian plane you say tan theta is equal to root 3. Comparison a better say theta no value near say 60 degrees. Into say measure clockwise direction from the north pole near the ababeka vector no a line no. Into say theta 60 degrees. Into say answer for question we no ebeye 2,060 degrees. 2 no ejina homa vector netintin the magnitude 60 degrees ne ejina homa vector no be bia na nichire 2 units at a clockwise direction 60 degrees from the north. So that is obobita na add 0 shade anim bearing bia no ye trend angle na 3 digits. Enti SSS system ye 2 enti also the 0 shade anim na 3 digits. The top abom no ye say ye ma question bi say a obehia enema mienu obehia magnitude and bearing. Magnitude the formula ni I ejina homa x j ejina homa y. O per bearing na obehia baby a vector no walk the direction. J ejina homa north and south. I ejina homa east and west. ube use so katwa and abo amwenya the value for the theta. Sa right angle triangle in esa o chene baba ebu trim. Ebitima abo amwo the value for the theta from the Cartesian plane. So what I say, the bia sema meta kan say practice makes permanent. Emma math embo hu ana fensu no emma schools akese no ehunhuna. Nyamugidie na e practice de bia na wonso obetimi aye. Aha, KokoChem education YouTube channel. There are videos bebre, but more than say over visit YouTube channel no. Now so when the videos ni bi ahwe. Yes, I be share e da foforo.
Think, learn, because